At Interval Studios, two designers created a visual platform for iPad that would allow anyone to play music. In this environment, music and visuals are fused, responding dynamically to each other. This is an instrument so intuitive to play, even a child can play it.
I like this app especially because you don't necessarily need to understand how it works to have fun with it. It's really easy to play, and it always sounds interesting. I usually show this app to people first for this reason. It instantly fascinates.
To install Thicket for free, simply tap on the App Store and type Thicket in the search box. There are two versions, the newest and classic modes. The classic is the first iteration of Thicket, also worth exploring. We'll be working with the newest version, simply called Thicket. Playing Thicket is all about experimenting with different physical ways to interact with your iPad. The iPad presents an incredibly responsive and versatile playing surface that responds differently to taps, swipes, and multi-finger gestures. Be sure to try using two hands as well. Thicket is part instrument, part interactive work of art, and is a whole lot of fun to perform with. There are a number of add-ons for Thicket and different modes that you can buy. This particular one comes free with the app. Is fun because it follows kind of like a song structure. It's like you're a conductor of the sounds. This is one of my favorite parts. In essence, you're collaborating with the song and collaborating with the developers. Tap the dot in the corner to access Thicket's features and settings. These settings control how the iPad behaves when using Thicket. If you haven't already, turn off multitasking gestures in the iPad settings under General when using music apps. This ensures that you won't accidentally switch out of the app. It's also helpful to lock orientation mode in your iPad's pull-up menu, especially when performing. You don't want it rotating around. In addition to Thicket's free mode, additional modes are available as in-app purchases. Each are completely unique and worthwhile. You can buy these modes right in the app, and they're only $1 a piece, so they're super cheap. A fun extra feature in Thicket is the ability to take screenshots of the action. Simply tap the dot in the middle to take the picture, which automatically shows up in your camera roll. Ta-da! Looks nice, right? Here's some more modes you can get. This mode plays with digitally distorting the sound. This one controls arpeggios as expanding geometric architecture. This one just kind of freaks out, especially when you put your whole hand on it. Speaking of freaking out, here's a beautifully contemplative ambient mode.
The notion of an instrument that anyone can play instantly may feel radical, and it absolutely is. But the democratization of music is a worthy goal. Everyone should be able to make music. I really believe that. I mean, what would our society be like if everyone could make music and express themselves? I feel like it would be more open. People would have an outlet for their emotions. If you're enjoying Thicket, here's some other apps I think you'll like. And be sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel.